Nobody else. She's not something you see every day.
I'm just gonna enjoy this one. I ain't never heard this one, y'all.
She was so surprised when I walked up to her and said, hello,
Hello, what's your name? I'm Kevin Weathers on the microphone. I gotta let you know. We're gonna harness the power of the internet. Connect our cell phones and our Dell laptops to cyberspace. Internet stores in the heavens above, in the realm of God. Moving money amongst the stars. Kevin's empty rim. Trying to show you how to put it in. I'm not connected right now, but I think I'm in your hotspot. See if we can't fix that little problem. Just a thumb away from being successful. Bring in a little bit of mobile hotspot action on the scene. The message is better compensation for YouTubers and tech bloggers. Amazon customer audience referral income. Sign up for some extra cash. That's what we're talking about.
How about dinner and a movie?
Oh yeah. Welcome to 4%. One of my promotional partners in the pay raise business. Dare to create the life, the good life.
So I hate to break this news to you, but Janice, Darnell, they have more power than you because they've already joined the platinum panel. So you gotta get on board so you can have the power to pick the music that you hear on Heart and Soul. SiriusXM.com/Heart and Soul, or over at our Facebook page at Hear Heart
Walk
and
with
Soul.
Jesus
All right,
with
get
me.
to Anisha. You're in the sweet spot.
Red walk, life of Christ is what we're talking about. Welcome to 4%. I'm gonna welcome you to the land of too much money. That's all I want to do. All right, I'll get off here. Call my business partner. I'm Kevin Weathers, CEO Pay Raise. Walk it out. On YouTube, I'm Kevin Weathers, God's chosen one. On Instagram, PAYYRAISE, 2 Y's. Peace. And on Facebook, Kevin George Weathers. This is a business type fair, y'all.